Welcome once again, and let's talk about Terra Classic coin. Now with over 1 trillion coins staking, do you think if this coin will be hitting over 2 trillion coin this year 2023? Now remember, as of last year 2022, Terra Classic almost hit 1 trillion coin, and of course we're happy to see that really increase in price. And let me tell you one thing, I actually knew when this coin have about 20 to 40 trillion coins, and today 20 to 40 billion coins, and today we have over 1 trillion coins of Terra Classic coin that has been staked. Now this year 2023, and we believe that if this staking will continue, because the way a lot of people stake coin, especially on Binance, and Binance have been supporting massively before the end of this year, can this coin really stake about 2 trillion coins before the end of 2023? Now staking 2 trillion coins, this simply means about 2 trillion coins of Terra Classic LUNC will be taken out of supply. Now we have about 1.9 and 6.1 trillion coins. Now removing to Terra Classic will be left about 3.9 or 4.1 trillion coins, excluding the burning of Terra Classic coin. Wow, this coin, believe me, I'm happy. One important thing that attracted me to Terra Classic is the high level of support, high level of community, high level of commitment. And I believe that this coin is going to increase because the way people have been showing support, especially when it comes to the top crypto billionaires, especially which number one is CZ. Yeah, CZ, Binance founder, is really really showing great support for Terra Classic coin. So let's hope to see if this coin will be staking. People will be staking over 2 trillion before the end of this year, and I believe definitely if that continues before the end of 2025, Terra Classic coin is going to be at a place we will never believe. Now remember that this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.